Hello everyone. In this video, we will make a new panel for power storages to show their details on UI. And after we do that, we will start making our electric devices. So we are generating electricity, we are storing electricity, but we need to use this electricity. So we will make electric devices. So now let's go to and make a new panel for the power storages. Let's go to 2D mode. I need just to duplicate this panel. Let's show it. And for power storages, we need to show the storage name and the storage capacity and how much we filled this capacity. Also, I need to show the max output of it. So let's make these changes. So let's go to this script and create a new header for the new panel. So let's go right here and create a new function, public void show storage data panel, and we need to get some parameters. First of all, as a string, we need the storage name. We need the current storage amount, and we also need the max capacity. We also need the max output, and yeah, that's all what we need. So right here for storage name text we will need we will set that like storage name, and for storage what was that text name? Yeah, storage capacity text, storage capacity text. This will be equal to, let's put a dollar right here and put if you put a dollar right here and inside a text, if you put two curly brackets, you can write a variable with its name inside the text. So right here we will need the current amount. We will put a slash and then another curly brackets, and here we will put the max capacity. Yes, perfect. So and for storage max output text, and this will be, let's make the same thing here. Let's put a dollar sign here, say max output 2 points, and here max output. Perfect. But first of all, don't forget to show the panel. So storage data panel dot active true, and we need always to hide all other panels. So and we need another function for hide it. So hide storage panel, and right here we should turn off the panel. So storage panel dot set active and false. Perfect. Let's add this hide function to hide all function. Perfect. And Last thing we need to go to Unity and change the power storage's undetected function. We need to override the function. So let's go to the script, and right here, because we are inheriting from this script, and this script has this function and it's virtual, so we can override it. So override on detected. If we need to use the code in the base class, we will keep that, but we don't need to use that code. I will delete it and write a new code. So electric UI instance dot show storage panel. So as a name, I'll say unit name. So the current storage amount, max capacity, and max output. Perfect. Exactly what we have done in ports. So let's go back to Unity. Let's assign those variables in electric UI script right here. Perfect. Let's turn this off. Oh, sorry. Let's turn this off and let's start the game and let's see what we have done. So everything is working perfectly. And if you look to a power storage, we will see a different panel. Perfect. So if you connect uh, this, if you connect the wind turbine to the battery, and if you look to the battery, we will see it's filling. Perfect. And now we can add an information about what is happening inside this storage. Very good. And now let's start making our electric devices.